Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can sign up for Signal Messenger. So let's go ahead and start the video. Open the Signal Messenger app on your phone, click continue, and then you must give allow access. And after that, you can just go ahead and choose your country code. So go ahead and choose your country code like this. Make sure that you choose it correctly. And after that, go ahead and write down your phone number. Then go ahead and click on continue. After click on continue, it will take some time and you can see the verification code will be sent. So go ahead and click on OK. So wait for a while and a verification code will be coming to your phone number soon. So this process might take some time and you can see that it automatically detects the verification code. Go ahead and click done. So you can see that now you can set up your first name. So go ahead and write down your first name and go to the second box and write down your second name as well. If you want to add a photo for yourself, go ahead and click on this photo icon and you can see that there are a lot of various emojis which are unique and you can see some of the artifacts over here. But if you want to add a photo, you can do that as well. Just go ahead and click on photo, give access to it, and you can choose the photo of your choice. And after that, click save. Now you can see the option who can see my number or who can find me. If you want to click on everyone, you can do that and click save. Go ahead and click next, and then you must create a pin for yourself. So go ahead and write down a pin and click next and confirm a pin. Click next again, and you can see that this pin has now been created. Now the next step is to add your friends, start chatting, and you can call your friends as well. So guys, I hope this video about how you can sign up or register to Signal Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.